Hello, today I want to teach you how to use Shotcut program. Shotcut is a free open source cross-platform video editor. I will take you through the basics of Shotcut. I have tried few free video editors, from Blender to OpenShot, but Shotcut is my favorite for basic fast work. I use Shotcut for video editing. In my opinion, Shotcut is the best free video editing software. Simple, easy to use, has simple effects. First step, go to Google and type download Shotcut if you don't have it yet. You will be redirected to Shotcut download page. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac or Linux. Download and install Shotcut into your computer. I have already installed it, so the first thing that you see when open Shotcut, that the interface is divided into several panels. You can resize the panels using this slider. If you want to edit video, click on Playlist tab bar. Now open folder with your video and highlight it. Drag into the playlist. You have added a video into the playlist. In the Properties menu, you have the information of added video. Also, you can change video speed, duration, aspect rate easily without adding a video into timeline. If you want to change a video speed, only needed to change the value in the Speed tab and export video. It is so easy and fast. And about exporting settings, I will explain later. Let's begin to edit something. In the bottom, you have the timeline to edit a video track and an audio track. So select the video in the playlist and drag into the timeline. You can zoom out on the timeline. To move in the timeline, click the left mouse button on the timeline. You can add an image between two separate clips. To do that, add the image to the playlist. Then select this clip, press S on the keyboard to split the video. Push one part of the clip and drag the image between two separate clips. And make these clips fit together. If you want to mix your video with an audio track, add any song to the playlist, click Add Audio Track, and drag your audio file into the timeline. You can add a few songs. To shorten an audio track or video track, drag like this. To cut one part of a clip, split clip in a few places, select the part that you don't need it, and press X on the keyboard. Shotcut has an audio and a video filters. It is a simple special effects like blur, text, fade in, fade out, and more. I will show you how to add a simple effects, fade in and text. So select the clip, come over to the top left on the screen, select filters, click the plus button. Shotcut has a variety of filters options, but I will be using fade in option. So select fade in video It is only for 1 second. Change duration to 5 seconds or more. Only change number. To add text, click plus button. Choose text filter. A timecode appears in the screen. To change it, delete hashtag and type any text you want. You can resize the text and use the circle in the center to move the text around. Also, you can change color and other options. If you want the text come out for some part of the video, just split the video and add text filter to that part. Once you're done your video, you can export it. To get a video file that you can play it, you need to set up export options and render it in a final video. Press the export button. You will see a lot of different export options. The main thing is resolution. Choose H.264 high profile. It will give you very good quality and small file size. Press the video button. Change format to MP4, the most popular. Here you see HD 720p format. Video size 1280 by 720. To change for Full HD 1080p format, change the resolution size to 1920 by 1080. Pick frame rate from 30 to 50 in the codec. Set LIBX codec. Choose quality-based VBR for the best quality and small file size. Change quality to 60% or higher based on your video. That's it. Just press export file and give your video file name. The video rendering progresses here. When rendering is finished, you will see done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe channel for more video.